This video will show you how to reassign a task that has been escalated. Once a task has been escalated, Hotelogix has the option to assign the task to another available staff. Let us see how. Select Guest Service. In the Guest Service module, click the task list. Identify the task to be reassigned. Note: for each service, property can specify the turnaround time, TAT, required to complete the request. If the request isn't resolved within this timeframe, it will be escalated and reported to higher authorities. Click on Reassign under Action. Reassign Task panel will open. Reassign staff from the drop-down. The hotel property has the option to reassign staff if the initially assigned team is unable to resolve the issue. Click OK. Note: the new task is linked to the original ticket number and includes the escalation level number for easy identification of its reassignment. All escalations can be seen with a yellow warning symbol. This brings us to the end of the video on how to reassign a task that has been escalated.